Bonjour and welcome to CUSD Loves to Cook. I'm your featured chef for this evening. My name is Fernando Argüelles and I have my beautiful daughter and assistant with me, Ella. Say hi, Ella.
Hi.
We're going to be cooking some delicious crepes. And so we want to welcome you into our home, welcome you into our kitchen, and we hope you enjoy this evening with us. Okay, we're going to have our assistant read through all of the ingredients and we're going to mix them up in a nice mixing bowl. Okay, ready?
Okay, so we have 2 eggs,
okay,
1.5 cups of milk.
Okay, 2 eggs and 1.5 cups of milk. And before we mix anything else up, we're going to whisk this together with a nice little hand whisk. All right. And what do we have next, Ella?
1 cup of all-purpose flour.
1 cup of all-purpose flour. So we got our flour right here. And we're going to use a little basket like this to get rid of any lumps. Okay. Let's throw it all in there. And then we'll just make sure. Try to get it all in there. We avoid any clumps. There we go. And let me whisk that up a little bit. And we'll add the other ingredients. What else do we have, Ella?
Okay. Next we have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I think it's this one. It should be this one.
Beautiful. Okay, thank you, Ella. So salt. What else?
1 teaspoon of oil.
Teaspoon of oil. Okay, and this is your oil right here. Okay. All right, got our oil. What else?
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay, that's going to be that one. Looks very similar, right? But it smells wonderful.
And last, 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Sugar. So we're going to throw in that sugar. And we're just going to get all of that mixed, and once it's nice and smooth, we're going to throw it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, and that'll give us time to start preparing our fillings, and we'll be ready to rock and roll and get this crepes started, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Alright, so we're all set to do our filling for our crepes. You ready for that, Ella?
Yes.
Awesome. So we're going to take 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese and the softened cream cheese, or soft cream cheese. And we're going to take it out of the container and put all 8 ounces in a mixing bowl, like that. And then my assistant, Ella, if you could help me with 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we're going to use just white granulated sugar. Okay, excellent. Just put that down. There you go. There you go, that's fine. A little more, a little less. Okay, and then we're going to take essentially what is about 1 cup or half a cup of whipped cream. So we're just going to take the whipped cream, and we're just going to pour it like we're making a sundae. Just pour it all around. We're going to take a hand blender. Even though we have softened or soft cream cheese, we want to make sure that we can blend it. But if you have a hand whisk and that's all you've got, it'll just take a little bit more work, but you'll be able to get it done. So we'll put this together and we'll have our strawberry cream cheese filling ready to go, and we'll start making our crepes. So see you in a second. good twirl there. And we're ready to rock and roll. Spoon. Throw it on there. And I'm going to use my wrist, just kind of turn my wrist a little bit. Almost perfect. Take our pan and we're gonna tip it and we're gonna flip it. Okay, that's kind of how you want your crepe to look. It starts kind of getting white, going from yellow to white, and then you're just gonna get right under it, right? Your first crepe might not be the best. Get right under it and you flip it, and that's kind of the consistency you want. You don't want it too crispy, but you want it to start getting browning around the corners. We'll set it for another, could take about a minute, could be less, depending on how high your heat is. My heat from a range from 1 through 10 is between a 5 and a 6.
So we're gonna add some whipped cream. Gonna put it in the middle, like a nice line. And we're gonna put some fruits. So 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Beautiful. Okay, and let's roll it or flip it. Beautiful. Another one. Okay, two hands. Excellent. Throw it on there. That is a beautiful turn, Ella. Beautiful. And let's finish that off with some powdered sugar. All right. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. This last part of our video, we're going to be making a savory crepe. So the first thing is we've got our spinach, we've got some ham and turkey ham, we have some cheese, 2 different types of cheeses, and we have some sour cream and some chipotle from a can. Cooking pan. Put this stove on medium, between low and medium, and we're going to get a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. A little bit of olive oil on there. Take some of our fresh spinach, and we're just going to saute this on there. You can put that back there, my assistant. Thank you. Take a little bit of salt, dash of salt, and a little dash of ground pepper. For a savory crepe, we're going to be using a different batter combination. So we're going to leave out that vanilla extract. We're going to leave out that spoon of sugar, and we're just going to go ahead and substitute that with a little extra salt. And we've got our batter for a savory crepe. All right, we have Ella here putting together our crepe. Our crepe's nice and hot, and she's going to add some butter. Just put some butter right over that crepe. Perfect. Okay, and then she's going to grab either ham or some turkey and put that right in. It could be right in the center or right in the corner. That's fine. And then choose your cheese. You can put your cheese on there. It's kind of just like a quesadilla. We're just going to put it together right there. Okay, and then if you slide over, I'm going to bring over our, slide over a little bit. I'm just going to throw the spinach. And we're going to close that up like you did on the earlier ones. And yeah, we could roll it either way. Do it how you like it. There we go. And if you want to roll them like a burrito, you can roll them like a burrito. That looks fine too. Perfect. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this right back on this little pan that we used to saute. And we're going to heat it up a little bit just so that all melts together. And once it's ready to go, we'll be ready to serve it on a plate. Okay, so we're going to take our crepe. It's got some of that olive oil that we used to saute. Throw it on there. Ella's going to put a little bit of that sour cream chipotle right on top. There we go. That's good. And we're going to take some more of the spinach. Add some of the spinach on there. We can add a little seasoning if we wanted to, but there it is, fresh, ready to eat and enjoy. Bon appetit. See you soon.